Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with ninth class maths, circles, exercise 12.3. In this, you have to draw the following triangle and construct the circumcircles. So, we have got the first bit in triangle ABC. AB is 6 centimeters, BC is 7 centimeters, and angle A is 60 degrees. So, first what you have to do, you have to draw AB as 6 centimeters. So, this is 6, AB 6 centimeters. A and B 6 centimeters. Now, angle A 60 degrees. At A, angle A 60 degrees. So, 60 degrees is here. So, you have to draw AX ray like this. Which is maintaining 60 degrees here. Then what else they said? BC is equal to 7 centimeters. So now, seven centimeters BC. So this is 7 centimeters. So B as a center, 7 centimeters. You have to draw an arc like this. So that is C. C. So BC 7 centimeters. Base is 7 centimeters. Now for this triangle, you need to draw the circumcircle. So to draw the circumcircle, what you have to do? A as center, more than half of AB as radius. You have to draw 2 arcs. Similarly, without disturbing it, whatever is the radius, with that radius, B as a center, you have to draw 2 arcs. And you need to join them. See children, it is slippery on my board because it is white board. You go through the procedure what I am doing. Let me call it as XY. Next, either BC or AB, anything. You have to take. I am taking B, more than half of BC as radius. I should draw an arc here and an arc like this, and it's very slippery. More than half of BC as radius, one arc this side and one arc the other side. Similarly, C as center without disturbing that, you have to draw 2 arcs on either side. These 2 arcs you need to join. So if you join them, you are getting a point G. Let me call this as PQ. They are intersecting at G. Now what you need to do? G as a center, GA or GC, anything as radius, you have to draw a circle. Children, my board is very slippery. I tried my level best to draw the circle. What you have to do? G as center, GC as radius. If you draw a circle, the circle passes through A and B. So what are the steps? Steps in what? First one, Construct the triangle with the given measure. Given measures. Now draw. What is this? I have named it as xy. Draw xy the perpendicular bisector of AB. Third one, draw PQ, the perpendicular bisector of BC. Fourth point, XY intersects PQ at G. Fifth point, G as a center, GC as a radius, draw a circle. Sixth point, the circle passes through B and A and B. Through A and B. Seventh point, the circle so formed is a circumcircle. These are the steps, children. Please note it down. This first construction. Second problem, children. In triangle PQR, PQ is 5 centimeters, QR is 6 centimeters, RP is 8.2 centimeters. You have to draw a circumcircle. First, you have to construct the triangle. Take PQ 5 centimeters, Q as center 6 centimeters as one arc, P as center 8.2 centimeters as radius another arc. Both arcs will meet at a point, that is R. Join them. After getting this, you have to draw the perpendicular bisector. More than half of PQ as radius, arcs on either side. Similarly, Q as radius, arcs on either side. You have to join it. Similarly, you have to draw ST. These two will meet at a point G. G as center, GR as radius. If you draw a circle, it passes through P and Q. So the same steps we have to write. First one, construct the triangle with the given measures. Draw XY, the perpendicular bisector of PQ. Perpendicular bisector of PQ. And draw ST, the perpendicular bisector of QR. Fourth point, XY and ST intersect at G. Fifth point, G as a center, GQ as a radius. Draw a circle. The circle passes through P and R. The circle so formed is a circumcircle. This is the construction, children. If you do in your book, you'll get perfectly. Now, there is triangle XYZ in which XY is 4.8 centimeters. So, this is X and Y. Angle X is 60 degrees. So, at X, we have to take 60 degrees. So, this is a ray maintaining 60 degrees. Angle X 60 degrees. Now, angle Y 70 degrees. Here, angle Y 70 degrees is here. This is Z. Now we need to draw the circumcircle for it. Now let us see the construction of it, children. Steps. First point, construct triangle XYZ with the given measures. And second one, draw. Let me name this as PQ and this as RS. Draw PQ, the perpendicular bisector of XY. Next, draw RS, the perpendicular bisector of YZ. Fourth point, PQ intersects RS at G. Fifth point, G as a center, GX as radius, draw A circle. Sixth one, the circle passes through Y and Z. Seventh point, the circle so formed is a circumcircle. These are the steps which in a construction you do it, you will get perfectly in your book by using these steps. With this, I am concluding my part today. In the next class, I will be doing the next part.